Oh, hey guys, a very warm welcome to today's session. And just now I got disconnected. Sorry. Now, again, we are beginning with it, and we are covering literature, the practice paper that I had already told you, in which we will be dealing with literature. Okay, the practice paper which I showed you, the PDF will be given to you in the description box, so you can check out through that. So let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible, please, everybody. You in the description. So let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible, please, everybody. You in the Fine, perfecto. So my video is super clear, my audio is clear. Let me know post a yo in the chat box. Okay, then we'll begin. So guys, literature section consists of 10 crucial marks. If you want those marks, then you have to study for that. Okay, so let me tell you some tips and tricks related to that. Now, first chapter is Ritruva Nuzami. Let's meet our friends. Letter based question. The letter which had given by Akanksha. We are gonna solve some of the questions from that. Okay. These questions will be your letter based questions, which are super important. Done. Along with that, you should have basic general knowledge about France and Paris. They can ask you the rivers, the cities, the bread, the cheese, the wines, and etc. That can be asked over there. Okay, because you never know what is asked in the final boards. We do not have any idea. So you should know about that. Letter, as I said, you should learn the idioms also. Okay, the idioms, the phrases which are given, like phrases. For example, let's say we have ethrezolinuash. What is that? How many of you know? Being in clouds, it means like not attentive. Correct? Avoir the money, having the manners. And there are many phrases. If you take out your NCRT, you will get them, and even in the exercise column, you will be getting some of the phrases. So do check out through that. It's very important. After that, we have some general things, general MCQs that we'll be doing today. So question 1 on your screen. Pin drop silence in my class and pay attention towards the question. Question says, dash est une grande cathédrale à Paris, alors une grande cathédrale. What is that? Notre Dame, Sacré-Cœur, La Tour Eiffel, Le Louvre. Which is a very big cathedral? How many of you can tell the correct answer? Okay, quickly. Let me know in the chat, those of you who got the answer. Okay, let's see how many of them can actually tell me the correct answer. Quickly solve and let me know in the chat box. This will also tell you your preparation. What is your preparation level? Correct? Second question, Port Blair se trouve dans dash. L'océan Atlantique, la mer Méditerranée, le Golfe du Bengal, la Manche. This is also easy. Let me know in the chat box. What is your opinion about it? Please guys, quickly. Awesome. Should I solve then? If all of you agree? Alright, awesome. This should be the Josh in the class. We should be very confident about our study. This should be the Josh in the class. We should be very fine. Perfect. Let's continue with it. So the answer should be Le Louvre. Louvre is a big cathedral. Une grande cathédrale à Paris. It is situated in Paris. You should know this also. This is also an MCQ. It can be asked, right? Second, Port Blair se trouve dans where? So the answer is Golfe du Bengal, Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is there in the Bay of Bengal in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear? Done. Third question, quelle est la capitale des îles d'Andaman et Nicobar? Where is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is? Ports Blair. Kolkata is West Bengal. Lakshadweep is Kavaratti and Puducherry. Not at all. So the answer is Ports Blair. B. Done? Okay. Question number 4. Dash est une petite ville animée au milieu de la mer. So the mare's name is Mediterranean. For those of you who don't know, and the answer over here is gonna be, tell me. That is Ports Blair. Ports Blair is the correct answer. Clear? Awesome. Let's move on. Okay, the question is dash it's in petite ville anime. Again, question has been repeated. Just a second. What happened over here? The question is actually the same, so the answer will remain Ports Blair. Done? Okay, now 6 to 9 to be done by yourself. Quickly do, and let me know how many of you have completed that. Just a second. What happened? How many? I'm like super excited for taking this session. You should be like full of josh right now. Tell me, question 6 to 9 to be done. I'm waiting for your response. You all need to complete the questions and let me know. Good job. Ciao. Let me solve it for you. Comment sont les aiguilles de Bavella? Les petites belles inconnus. Aiguille de Bavella, aiguille needle. The needle like Bavella, the hills kind of a thing. This kind of a structure. Like we read now in that chapter, they were talking about this aiguille de Bavella, petite village, Pash. It was related to that. Did you all recall? We had read about it. And it was also written that les aiguilles de Bavella sont, tell me, belle. Very good. Amazing. You all have read the text, I think. Okay, awesome. Où se trouvent les aiguilles de Bavella? Where? And France, Italy, Allemagne. India is not there. Italy also, Germany also. The answer is France because we are learning French, right? 8. Où peut-on trouver beaucoup de petits villages perches? I told you just now. Beaucoup de petits villages perches. Gold to Bengal, Mer Méditerranée, les aiguilles de Bavella are Ports Blair. Too easy. Who's gonna let me know in the comments and in the chat box? Very good. Amazing. It is dans les aiguilles de Bavella. The small villages which are perched over there. Correct? 9. Nommez deux animaux de la ferme. 2 animals of farm. How many of you can tell me? Lion, tigre, not at all. They are of the jungle. Stash, l'ours, no. Elephant, giraffe, no. The answer is vache, cheval. Vache is cow, cheval is horse. Okay? You can do that. Difficult nahi hai. Bilkul kar sakte ho. That's pretty easy. Let's move on. Question number 10. Important. La ville de Bastia n'est pas. The city of Bastia is not. Petite, large, grande ville. See, it is a ville. So D gets eliminated. It is it is small, so petite gets eliminated. Large and grand, so il n'est pas grand. It is not big. It is actually petite. So it is petite. Done? Good job. Now here are some of the questions which you have to solve. So quickly solve, everybody. Let me see if the orientation is fine. It is actually petite. So it is petite. Let me see if my orientation is fine. Just a second. Good job. Now here are some of the questions which you have to solve. Okay, perfect orientation. Please start solving the questions. I'll give you 30 seconds to solve. And for French, we will be discussing the paper also on 7th itself. On 7th, paper discussion will take place. So do attend that session for sure. It will help you a lot, as well as for English I will be releasing a paper discussion video so that you all can attend. Is that okay? Awesome. Have you all solved? I guess yes, most of you must have solved. Shall we discuss? So let us start the discussion now. 11 says, Usage through Bestia. Where do we find this? Of course, Gold Bengal, not at all. Mem no, needs no. So the answer is of course. So through Levi's Bestia, of course, because Akanksha and her friends had gone there only. So that is the answer. 12th. Dash est le centre culturel intellectuel et artistique du monde. So the answer is Paris. Paris est le centre culturel intellectuel et artistique du monde. Okay. 13th. Les villes importantes de France sont Paris et Lyon, Bordeaux et Bourgogne, Bretagne et Corse, Seine-et-Loire. Which are the important cities? Tell me guys quickly in the comments. See, wherever you see Paris, that becomes important. So Paris et Lyon and the related combinations. Done? Awesome. 17th, nomme un monument français, a monument that is Notre Dame. Dash n'est pas un monument, it's not a monument, Chanel, because c'est un parfum. Parfum, guys, perfume. Nomme un fromage français, a cheese, French cheese, that is brie. Brie is a cheese, which is in France basically, so that you can do. All right, now my handwritten notes time has come. I'll be giving you some handwritten notes that you can refer for literature. All right, so let me become Chotu now for writing those notes for all of you. These notes will be very useful for you, so I would request you to open your NCERTs along with your registers, your French registers that you must be having. Everybody open NCERT book. I have got this printout. I would like to show you over here. Look at it, just look at it. I couldn't find the book anywhere. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Okay, so shall we discuss certain concepts from the book, everyone? If you're ready with your NCERTs, then we can discuss. Let me write on the screen only. See, first page talks about some of the conversations. Okay, first page talks about the conversations, so you can read them for the sake of understanding. Okay, and here the important points are, let me change the pen. Terminal de la série S and terminal de la série L. S stands for scientific, whereas L stands for literature. And these questions can be asked in the exam, so please do it well. Then letter questions we have discussed. Then we have Lux. Over here, what type of question will be asked? Let me tell you that question. First of all, you should know about Jacques Prévert and his poem. What is his collection of poems? Collection of poems of Jacques Prévert is Parole, MCQ, and in the book, from that collection, one of the poems name is L'accent grave. Is that clear? Okay, so L'accent grave is one of those poems which is given over here. The conversation between Hamlet, who is a child, a naughty child, and professor. That is important because over there we have two of the most important phrases, that is extra d'enlinouage and avoir से मानिए. So please read them carefully. Will you read that? Awesome. So then we have the exercises. In exercises, you need to solve all of them. Solve all exercises. Any question can be asked from the back. Clarify the basic topics, all the types of adjectives, all the types of adverbs that you have read till now should be very clear to you. Okay, so this is about it, and the last page of the chapter is important. From here you can get certain questions, so research about them. Like here you can see Fête de la Musique, Tours de France, Festival d'Avignon, Festival de Cannes, Festival International du Film quoi. Your teacher must have given you the notes, so you need little bit of research on these topics because questions are asked which are out of book. So read them, and all the best for French examination. We have discussed with Shubhan who's done the most important questions. If you want me to discuss après le bac and chercher du travail, then please let me know in the comments. Okay, so thank you everybody for attending today's session. TY, I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Post your doubts in the comments. Bye bye.